What's up, everyone? This is Real Deal Wealth back with another video. I'm super excited to get into this one. NIO is on fire. This thing is going to the moon, and I think everyone needs to jump into this, or else you're going to be losing out on millions of dollars potentially. This is the next Tesla, and you don't want to be sitting back waiting while we're all making money. So guys, look at my portfolio right now. We're down on the day a little bit, but we're coming back. NIO's down, but this thing is going to the moon. These articles I'm going to show you on the factories that are coming out and also on price predictions is going to have you wanting to buy this thing tomorrow. Why is this dipping? Who knows? But who cares? This is time to make money. Everyone, go right now to the description and follow my Instagram if you're not already following. I'm posting a lot of stuff on there and it's really amazing. I want everyone to get into the stocks that I'm talking about because we're making money around here. Let's look at NIO right now. It's at 57.66. This thing could go to 300 this year when their sales come out. You know, each month we've seen huge growth out of NIO, and I don't see it slowing down. They're talking about, and they have actually confirmed, that they're building a new factory. This is huge for production and huge for revenue, and this company makes billions and billions of dollars. And the Chinese market and the Chinese government love this, so we need to be buying now. So everyone, look, as you can see in this article right here, second Jack NIO joint manufacturing base put out to tender. Okay, what does this mean? The project is launched for building NIO's second joint manufacturing base run by Jacques Motors. The capacity of the first factory is short of the sale demand, so we have more cars being ordered than can be produced. This company is hot. The Chinese love this car, and we need to buy this and become millionaires from buying into NIO. If you all can see right here, the document from the trading center shows that the project involves an estimated contract price of nearly $53.935 million, and this is going to be complete in 370 days. So yes, at the beginning of 2023, they're going to have an entirely new manufacturing company for their cars. And we all know that they're coming out with a new sedan, which is going to be huge on the EV market and also in China. So we can see here too, NIO's deliveries soared 112.6% on the year to 43,000 units. If these numbers keep up, we can see at the bottom it says 7,500 vehicles in January of 2021. I see this number hitting 8,000 or 8,500, which would be amazing. And that's what's going to fuel this stock to the next step. This is going to make this stock that $100, $200, $300 stock down the road. All right, everyone. So we're on to the next article. Undervalued NIO stock is gunning for $92. That is amazing, and they're talking about in the short term, this thing I think could touch $100 by March. So buy your call options now. Do your long call options. Do your March. Do your April. Do your Junes. This is how you make money. You buy it when it's undervalued. So let's go through this. Impressive Q4 deliveries. So what does this mean? NIO would deliver 15,902 EVs during Q4. It turns out that the company did even better. It delivered 17,353, which is 121% more than last year. If they keep up these numbers, then it's going to be huge. They now project on Investor Place that they will have 164,850 EVs, the NIO cars, on the road by the fourth quarter next year, by 2021. And this could be huge for the stock. The estimate for sales is much higher at $9.2 billion. And you know, what this means for the stock is that it could be touching $400 by the end of the year. So if you're getting in at $50, this is a steal. This is how millionaires are made, and this is where you need to get in. Don't wait until it's too late. Like I say, buy in the red, sell in the green, and we want to make money. So get into NIO while it's at a great price. So let's look into the difference between NIO and Tesla. Tesla produced about 500,000 EVs this year and is on track for 800,000 EVs. And that's with not that many factories. Once the government starts subsidizing these factories for NIO, we're going to see a massive expansion in the EV industry. We're already seeing it bubble up, and we're seeing huge gains out of NIO whenever we didn't expect them to sell as many cars. And now they're manufacturing 7,000 plus cars a month. This is huge. What happens when they start putting out 50,000 cars a month down the line and it's too late? You want to get into this stock now. Everyone knows this is a hot stock, but how risky are you willing to go? Are you willing to bet a little bit of your money to become a millionaire? Because I know I am, and I'm going to keep putting money into this thing and riding this thing to the moon. And I recommend you do that as well. So guys, look, Louis Navellier, it says after finding the #1 S&P stock for 8 years in a row now, that he is recommending that we pick NIO. So what are we going to do? Are we going to get into NIO because the big money's going there? Of course. We want to make money, so we follow that big money. Today, ARK was selling off some of their Tesla shares, which is huge, and I feel like this is news that NIO could be pushing its way into Cathie Wood's pockets. So we want to stay bullish on this one. We want to ride it out, ride this thing to the moon. I know I'm loading up, and I'm getting as many stocks at this price that I can. If we see another dip, I'm buying. If it dips again below that, I'm buying again. Anytime this thing is red, I'm loading the boat. We want to make money, and this new factory news I think is amazing. We're going to see our pockets get bigger, and we're going to see all these stocks flying through the roof. So what's my plan with this one? I'm going long on this one because I know I'm going to make the most money out of NIO when I put my money in it at this price. $57 for a company that has, the potential to be the next Tesla or even better, and you see where their stock is. I'm betting my money on that. You got to make a little bit of risk to get a huge reward, and that's where I feel like the bullishness of NIO is going to pay off. If you sit back and wait for this company and watch it grow, you're going to watch that money that you could have had dwindle away while all of us are reaping the benefits. So go ahead and do your own research, as I always say, but I highly recommend getting into NIO as soon as possible and average pricing up as this company starts to grow. This is huge, and I want everyone to have the potential to make millions, and this is the way. Diversify your portfolio, but make sure NIO has a nice place within it. So thank you all so much for watching. This has been Daniel. Better know me as Real Deal Wealth on this channel. If you learned anything that was helpful on this video, then go ahead and hit the like button. If you're enjoying what you see, then go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.